Hello and welcome to today's video. We have the March Lurella box and Anne is wearing a face mask. Those things creep me out. We got 2 facial sheet masks in this March box. I was surprised that they were the same 2 that we got in the January box. So today we are trying the lemon mask. In January we did the mango. Today we are trying the lemon mask. One thing I've noticed is this particular one does not fit as well. It's oddly cut, so it's not fitting as well as the one in January. And I've got it stuffed with a couple cotton squares to hold on to the extra serum for additional use. It says lemon brightening facial mask, natural mask cloth, and the functions of this are lemon contains vitamins and other nutrients, has oil control, clean skin, and brighten skin deeply. And this one had a hard time coming off of, there's a netting that is on top of the mask to help you apply it. It had a hard time separating from the netting. I don't recall that being a problem with the January mask. So as I sit here nudging this up and flopping along, we will let it do its thing and we get to see what came in the box. And then we'll come back and see what we think of the mask. It does come with a simple printed card, for which I am very grateful. It tells us the prices, and it tells us that this box has a retail of $89.86, which is a darn good return on the investment of $30 that it cost. In as much as we like things that are blingy and sparkly, I don't think we're going to be using these uncut gems. We will save them and pass them along. Yeah, this is not exactly my style, but it might be someone else's style. So these will get passed along. It said that grouping of 5 had a value of $7 total. This is a sharpener. And I like the way that the top is there and it comes off so you can catch your shavings so they don't go everywhere. This is something I know I'm not going to use, so we will pass this along as well. And I think this had a $2 value. For an $8 retail value, they gave us 2 lip liners. These are in shades that I know I won't use, although a lip liner can make a good lipstick, yet I have so much stuff that I'm leaving these packaged up and they can get passed along. But I'm guessing that part of the reason we got the sharpener was perhaps to be able to sharpen these guys. This is an iconic gloss in the shade Scandal. A nice neutral shade, and again, I have more than I know what to do with, so I'm going to pass this one along, and I think it said it had a value of $8. Let me double check. I take that back. That's $9. This is a glitter eyeliner that is also $9. And I'm not supposed to use eyeliner per my eye doctor's request, so I'm leaving this one packaged up. That's the shade there. And it is called, if I can get it right side up, it is called Dream. That was the half of the box that we know we're not going to use. Did you see anything that you liked? Let me know, because I'm an inquiring camel. And now moving along with this video and trying to keep that thing from flooding off of Anne's face. We got a $10 foaming face cleanser. Ours came in the scent Vitamin C, and it's great for deep cleansing. And it has an expiration date, which is nice to see because you don't see that on many products. It doesn't expire until 2027. I was going to go on their website when I saw that they had these and buy one because I have another product with a built-in scrubby top that I wanted to be able to do a comparison video down the road. I'm glad I waited because it came in the box. Oh, how exciting. Yes, very excited to get this one. Did I say the price? I don't remember. Where is it on here? I know it's somewhere. Foaming cleanser, $10. This is $1.50 and it is a facial exfoliator. Has a cute little face on it. I guess you add your product at the back side and then you can scrub with the tiny scrubbies here, and the back has bigger scrubbies. Yeah, I thought this was kind of cute, and this is what the back looks like. It looks like you must pour, because this is soft in here, so you must add your cleanser in there, squish it and work it around, and then you can either use the bigger bumpy side, or this side has smaller little scrubbies. I thought this was kind of cute. I might even try it. This is part of the travel bag kit. This is the big one. Yeah, that is a big one. And it said travel bag kit $16. So I figured they were referring to this one, which, by the way, did you see? It has straps in there to tie down whatever you put in it. And then there's more to it. It's a set of 8. And you get a variety of bags. And I'm trying to flip them over here because, of course, they're all tangled. This one I thought was adorable. It looks like a garment bag. And then there's one that has just a drawstring on the top. And there's others. I'm being attacked by the bags here. That look like your standard packing cubes with a ventilated side, a zipper. Some of them have handles, some of them do not. Oh, this is exciting. Yeah, I was tickled with this concept that there were quite a variety, so you can use it for packing cubes. I sometimes use these for storing clothes that are off season. Great variety. And they feel kind of like a polyester-ish material, so I don't know how well they would do in the dryer, but I'm thinking they could maybe go through the gentle cycle of the washing machine if they were zipped up closed, or you could rinse them by hand. So that was cute. And they all seem to have these little snaps. Help me out, Fatima. They have these little snaps here on the back. So I'm guessing you could feasibly hang the top one up and then snap them into each other and have them hang in a closet. I don't know. What do you know? Do you know out there? Let us know down below if you know. I was excited to get them though. For $2.50, we have something that I enjoyed playing with. A mirror! I do love a good mirror. How about you? And we have a palette, so I can do swatches. This is the iconic, or Be Iconic Metallic Shadow Palette. And although the color story is a little darker than our usual color story. Oh my goodness, these have some sparkle and shimmer to them. Oh, I'm in love with this palette. This is going to be fun to play with. Okay, Fatima the Camel will now do some swatches. Nice job in the swatching department, Miss Fatima the Camel. Thank you. I enjoy good swatching. So what did you see in this half of the box that you liked the best? We like everything in this half of the box. All things considered, it was a very good box. Yeah, all things considered, there's always going to be some things that I either don't care for or I just have too much stuff and want to share. Like I said earlier, I was kind of surprised that we got duplicates on the facial masks. I think it's almost time to take this thing off. Oh, here we go. I don't like this part. It's like she's ripping off her skin. Yeek! Here we go. Eek. There it is in all its glory. Yuck! Okay, so immediately after removal, yes, there still is a tacky layer. Okay, so I've dried it down, patted it in, fanned it a little bit to help it dry. The tacky layer is decreasing as it dries or absorbs in. It still, though, is leaving a little more of a tackiness than what I would expect. I think I would give this one maybe like a 3 or a 3.5 out of 5 stars. I think the mango one was better than this lemon one. Anyone else out there tried these? What do you know? Let us know. I think I like the mango one better. They both had, I'm going to say, a scent of some sort, but not enough to be overwhelming. They both did stay in place, especially while I was talking, because you're not supposed to be talking while I have one of those things on. I did notice with that one, the fit was not what I remember the other one being. All things considered, I am pleased with the Lurella box. $30 a month, free shipping. They say 5 to 7 items. We got 11. Yeah, and that's counting the 2 face masks together and counting all 5 of the body stick-on charms together. Quite a good return, I think. $89.86. Excited to see what comes next. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, notification bell, all of that fun stuff. Hope you enjoyed this video. Did you tell us what you liked? Do you get this box? Let us know, let us know. Inquiring camels want to know. Want to try a facial mask? No, I don't like those things. They give me the creeps. Catch you later.